So it's day 2, it's absolutely tipped it down overnight, and also it looks like there's more rain on the way. I thought I would do a bit more clearing, but also try to see exactly where the water is coming in through the roof. Not really ideal to have loads of water in a place where you've got bikes and metal components and what have you, but I guess I'm just going to have to deal with what's there. Well, you can hear water coming in, primarily because there is a thing of guttering all the way down here which deposits water into the corner. It just means there's all this rubbish on the floor. It's pretty dry on this half of the workshop. Around here, a bit of water in by the door. Something tells me that there's gonna need to be some work on this guttering. Joy. It's lunchtime on day 2 and the rubbish is gradually starting to build up. There's a big pile of metal crap, and that is for burning probably next weekend, when I think we are going to get a skip for all of the stuff which is not really burnable or scrappable. Okay, this is our slightly decrepit chicken shed. You can see, slightly on an angle. Anyway, this is coming down, but hopefully this workbench here, which is pretty solid, will survive the demolition and will become my cycling workbench going forward. Getting to the end of day 2, I wouldn't have said I've done a huge amount today. Family stuff, a bit slower getting out of the house, tipped it down last night. Quick coffee break. It's a bit weird, isn't it, looking at the camera whilst drinking a coffee? Anyway, cyclist mug. So we're coming to the end of the weekend. I haven't really made quite as much progress as I wanted to. Back to work tomorrow, so it's going to have to pause for now, but I think next weekend I'm going to do some more stuff. It's a bit too early to think about how I'm going to organise the workshop. One of the challenges, I guess, is the lack of walls against which to put shelving and the likes. And the main wall that I do have, which is this one, is pretty wet and always going to be somewhat at risk of water coming in to the workshop. I'm just wondering, if I was to make this secure enough to store bikes, how I would do it. And I'm sort of wondering about maybe hanging them from some of these trusses that do look rather rusty, but I think, well, they're providing the structure of the workshop, which seems pretty okay. So one would hope that they're okay to hang some bikes from, but I can't really do any of that until I've completed the emptying of the workshop space. So I guess I'll leave it there for this, I suppose you'd call it a vlog, and I'll catch you in the next one where hopefully we'll make a bit more progress. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like button, feel free to subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!